Hello and welcome to another Chatterware tutorial. Today we're going to have a very quick look at a talking mountain. So in this case, let's say you have a character who's going to come and find a secret of in a valley somewhere where there's a hill or a mountain that can actually speak. So what we've done, we've set up the mountain. That's this block of rock, and we've put on it the Now We're Talking prefab, and we've got it set. Actually, we've got it set to. Let me just have a quick look. We are going to be using mouth number 2, which is the sort of square rectangular one, and let me just turn something off for a second so that we've got something to come to in a minute. What do we want to do here? We want to just make sure the audio source is at 1.0. Right, so this is how it would look. We've got the square mouth, and if we hit, I've just put some voice clips onto the first phase. So this is Rock Face 001, that's the name, and we've got 12 farmer voice clips on it. So let's just see what they sound like. Oh, morning. Not bad, thanks. Not bad, thanks.
Good morning. Good morning.
So we're turning the play audio, the Now We're Talking play audio game object on and off. There we go, turn it off, turn it back on to get the next voice clip.
Good morning.
And off and back on again to get the next voice clip.
Good morning.
And let's just have a look where we're up to in the voice clips at the minute. That was voice clip 7 that just played. Let's try another one. Oh, let's actually just lock that padlock in there. And what we'll do is we'll use another inspector tab. So I've got the Now We're Talking locked here, and it's just played the 7th, and it's going to play the 8th, which is this one, I think. So we turn off Now We're Talking play audio.
Good morning.
And when we turn it back on again, it plays number 8.
How are things?
Number 9.
Oh, just great.
Number 10. And that's all great. So you can see the eyes are moving as well. We've got the blink and the eyes moving. So what else can we do? With audio, we can actually change the pitch. So let's have a bit of fun. A mountain would probably be a bit slower speaking, so let's try 0.7, see what that sounds like. And here we go.
How are things? Morning. Morning. How's it going? Oh, morning. Not bad, thanks.
And that's quite funny. That's quite good. Don't mind that. Let's try a little bit slower. So this is on the audio source, and we're going to just adjust the pitch. Let's see what that one sounds like.
Not bad, thanks.
That's better. I prefer that. So now the other thing you can do is actually add an audio reverb zone. So let's just get rid of that, and I'll show you how to do that from scratch. So ignore this one. On here we are on the Now We're Talking prefab, and if we go to the bottom and keep focused on that and go to component audio, add audio reverb zone, that'll tack it on to the end. And this is quite a big scene, so we need to have that probably a larger maximum distance. And if we pull down this reverb preset, we probably find mountains, or quarry, which would be good. So we'll try the mountains first. So that's the preset for giving us reverb for mountains. So let's have a little look at that. Let's run it up and see how it works. So we'll get the Now We're Talking Play Audio object and we'll turn it on. Here we go.
Oh, morning. Not bad, thanks.
So it's kind of there, but for some reason, oh, I see, yeah. Because I was running when I turned the pitch down. Let's go back down to 0.6 on the audio source on the Now We're Talking, and we've got that set. So let's just try that. And we're going to fire off the Now We're Talking Play audio. I'm going to activate it.
Oh, morning. Not bad, thanks.
That's okay. Let's just see if we can get a bit more out of that. I know, 200, 100.
Not bad, thanks. Good morning. Good morning.
So we're getting the reverb. Let's try the quarry.
Good morning.
That's a bit more lively. Let's reduce that down to 20 and see if that's any better.
Good morning. Good morning.
Brilliant.
How are things? Oh, just great.
And of course, we don't need to use the square mouth. We could, if we wanted, slide it all over and we'll bring in the other mouth, which is mouth number 1, or we could have mouth number 3. So this is mouth number 1.
How are things? Morning.
Right, so that one would need a little bit of movement on the lips pivots. We just need to move it out ever so slightly. Let's see what that looks like.
Morning. How's it going? Oh, morning. Not bad, thanks.
So that's quite good. Or we could slip it into mouth number 3 and we'll just see what that looks like.
Not bad, thanks. Good morning. Good morning.
And of course that's actually got we've actually got the lips on that one. We could turn those off and just look at it like that. Let's have a look and see how that looks.
Good morning.
And of course we can change that back to voice number 2 and turn the lips back on. I quite like it with the lips on voice 2 for this particular thing.
Good morning. Good morning.
So you can have a lot of fun with that, bringing inanimate objects to life like a mountain. So I hope that's useful for you. Thanks very much for watching, and hope you're enjoying using Chatterware's Now We're Talking. And we'll see you next time on the tutorials. Bye for now.